Welcome to Abu Dhabi International Airport. More than just a transit hub, it's a world of hidden treasures waiting to be explored. Whether you're passing through for a short layover or beginning a grand adventure, let's uncover the gems that make this airport truly extraordinary. Step into luxury at the airport's exclusive lounges. Indulge in gourmet cuisine. Sip on a refreshing beverage, or pamper yourself with a rejuvenating spa treatment. Every moment here is designed for ultimate relaxation. Taste the world without leaving the airport. From Middle Eastern delicacies to international favorites, Abu Dhabi Airport offers a culinary journey like no other. Savor the flavors, whether you're in the mood for a quick bite or a fine dining experience. Shopping enthusiasts, rejoice. Explore duty-free delights and designer brands, from the latest fashion trends to exclusive fragrances. It's the perfect place to pick up a souvenir or indulge in a little retail therapy. Discover the artistic soul of Abu Dhabi through captivating exhibitions and cultural showcases. The airport isn't just a gateway, it's an immersive experience celebrating the region's rich heritage and artistic vision. Need a moment of peace? Unwind in tranquil relaxation zones designed for comfort and serenity. With peaceful ambiance and dedicated rest spaces, Abu Dhabi Airport transforms your travel experience into a moment of calm. Traveling with family? Abu Dhabi Airport caters to all ages with dedicated play zones, entertainment lounges, and interactive experiences that make every journey enjoyable for little explorers and adults alike. So next time you're here, don't just pass through. Immerse yourself in an experience like no other. Abu Dhabi International Airport isn't just a stopover, it's a destination in itself.